How to change your password in Mobile Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be walking through how to change your password in Mobile Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, launch the Mobile Legends app on your device. And now here is something important to know. You cannot directly change your password within the Mobile Legends app itself. Instead, you will need to update it through the accounts it's linked to. To get started, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen and then scroll down and select the account section. And here you will see which platform your Mobile Legends account is connected to. Your Mobile Legends account might be linked to Facebook, TikTok, Moonton, or an email address. Find out which it's connected to. In my case, it's linked to different social handles like Facebook, Moonton, and email address. If yours is linked to another platform, the process is still the same. And once you have identified your linked account, you can simply go to that platform, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, or an email, and update the password from there. But if your account is linked to Moonton, you can simply tap on the account center and then select Change Moonton account password. And after tapping on that, you can follow the on-screen instruction and your password will be updated. And after changing the password on a linked account, it will automatically update for Mobile Legends as well. And after that, you can simply just log in with your new password and you are all set. And that's how you can change your password in Mobile Legends. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.